Hey there, what's up everyone? Today we're going to make a very simple but delicious beef in black bean sauce. This is a very popular dish in Chinese takeaways and it's also one of my favorite main dishes to go with rice. So hope you enjoy it. Let's go. Alright guys, I have a very nice cut off top side here. You can use any beef you like. We use top side at the restaurant. Top side and rump are good for stir fry beef dishes. So the grain is going this way. You want to slice it against the grain. And when you get to the end, you have a thick piece, you can trim it to make it flatter. And there you have it. Beef into the bowl, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar, dash of white pepper, sesame oil, quarter of a teaspoon of bicarbonate soda. Crack an egg into a bowl and give it a quick whisk. We'll only need to use half the egg. Give it a quick mix, add a bit of water to your beef, mix again. Half a tablespoon of potato starch. This will thicken your beef and make it nice and tender for stir frying. See how the beef has thickened up? Add some oil. And that's it. So we're just gonna let the beef marinate, and whilst it's marinating, we're gonna prep the ingredients. So for this dish, you're going to need some onions and peppers. I've got some white onions being sliced into thicker chunks, and I've got a mixture of green and red peppers, some chilies, some dehydrated garlic, half a teaspoon. I'm going to introduce you to black beans. This is black bean, and what you need to do is you need to soak it in some hot water just for about 2 minutes. Chili and garlic sauce, half a teaspoon goes in. Once the black bean has been drained, put it into the bowl and it should look a little something like this. You'll also need some potato starch water to thicken the sauce. Alright guys, so now we have all our ingredients. We are ready to start cooking. Wok on. Heat up your wok. Oil. Heat up your oil. Beef into the wok. Separate the beef. Slowly push the beef on gentle heat. See how marinating the beef with potato starch gives it more volume. Cook it for about 2 minutes. And it's ready. Drain your beef, nice and thick. In the same wok, add your vegetables. Give it a quick fry. Beef back in. Water, about half a ladle. Now we season some MSG, half a teaspoon. Some sugar, half a teaspoon. Oyster sauce, half a teaspoon. Back on high heat. Potato starch around the side. Dark soy sauce. Oil. Now we serve. Beef in black bean sauce. Beef. Nice and tender. Nice and juicy. Pepper. Amazing. Amazing dish guys. Very easy and delicious. Hope you've enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time. Bye.